Lads, what we're going to do now is questions 19, 20, and 21 together. And hopefully we can make sense of these. Now, here's what we're going to do. With question 19, which is this one here, obviously. Just need more board space. There we go. Actually, I'll do it like this. So we're doing 19 and 20 first, right? Let's go for it. All right. So in question 19, what we're looking at is we're looking at taking out a number that 3 and 6 will divide it. What number can divide into 3 and 6? 3. All right. You're taking down the stuff. So 3. What letter do they have in common? A. Open up your pair of brackets because remember you're doing two sets of 5, aren't you? Right? So there are 2 sets. So what number goes in here? 3 multiplied by what gives you 6? 2D. Now the reason why it's 2D is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and 6 AD. Okay, it's all right. Now what about the next one here? What letter should go in here? E. Why is it E? Yeah, 3A by E is minus 3AE. Is that all right? Now, what do we know straight away about the next bracket? Has to be the same as the first one, provided you did the first one properly. Now, what multiplies by D? What multiplies by 2D to give you 2BD? B. And then you can check your answer, can't you? B by 2D? 2BD. All right. Will you finish off the question for me? What do you think it is? 3A plus B, yeah. The ones are on the outside, yeah. 2D minus E. All right, anybody get that ahead of me? You know what to do. Okay, that's okay. Now, lads, we're going to do another one, all right? So here's what we're going to do next. We're going to do question 20, which is located here. Okay. Now, question 20. All right. So I might ask you a bit of this one as well, all right? Yeah, okay. Now, first thing I might ask you is, sorry, I took that down wrong. First thing I might ask you is, what letter do the first 2 have in common? Well, they have X in common, don't they? So what letter can you take out? You can take out an X. Now, see the 2 numbers, 2 and 6. What number can you take out of both of them? What number will divide into 2 and 6? 2. Good man, James. So it's 2x. All right? Now, James, we'll go with you now, all right? 2 multiplied by what gives you 6? 3. Now, what happens if I multiply 2x by 3? What do I get? I don't want 6x, so what do I want? So what do I need to put down here? Another x, don't I? Perfect. Now, what about this? What am I looking for here, James? 2x multiplied by what? What will go here? Z. And makes 2xc. Excellent, all right? What about yourself? What do you reckon on the next one? What letter do you think you can take out? You take out y. And what do we know about the bracket? Has to be the same, doesn't it? Face forward where possible. Okay. And we know that that has to be the same, don't we? What is it? A plus or a minus? Multiply it out. That's plus. Is it right or wrong? Wrong. So then what do we do instead? Minus. Okay. And what is the answer then? No, I pointed at him. Sorry, buddy. Yeah. It's a Z, but yeah, 3x minus Z. Perfect, right? Now, with question 21, I'm going to get you to try it on your own, okay? So we've done 19 and 20 in today's class, and we're going to do 21 now in a second, okay? Now, 21's an awkward one, because there's a small bit of rearranging in it. So here's what we're going to do. Okay. Now, the rearranging ones are difficult. Right, so we're on to question 21. Okay, so imagine mx is the red one, plus by is the green one, minus 2my is the blue one, and minus 12bx is the purple one. I'm allowed to rearrange them in any order I want. Okay, once I move. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm looking at the numbers. See the number 1 and the number 2. Everybody see the number 1 and number 2? 2 is twice the size of 1. So I'm setting up like this. See the way the small number comes in front of the big number? Now look at 24 and 12. 24 is twice the size of. Same way 2 is twice the size of 1. So the pattern I'm thinking of 12bx plus 24by. And see the way the letters are matched with each other now as well? So here's what we're thinking. You all right? Right. What letter can I take out the first two? These ones here. What letter can I take out? Once again, I'm just putting a him. Okay. So M. Now what's left over? I'm pointing at him. And what else? Perfect. I'm still with him. Okay. What do we know about the second bracket? Has to be the same as the first. What number would go out here and it needs to multiply it into minus 12bx? Minus 12b. Excellent. Check your results. Sean, are you happy with that? M by x is mx. M by 2y minus 2my minus 12b by x. And then minus 12 by 2y. 24by. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Now finish it off for me, Sean. M minus 12b, yeah. X minus 2y. And that's perfect. Question. Yeah. That's more or less what I did. If you now you multiply them out. Okay. Rares, can you tell me what's x times x? Good man. What's x times minus 5? Excellent. 1 times x. And 1 multiplied by minus 5. Okay. 2x by x. 2x by 1. 2x, yeah. And then minus 1 by x. And minus 1 by 1. Okay. But this is difficult, all right? This is the difficult part. Who got that far? All right. Now the next part, yourself, sir. Okay. What is 1x squared plus 2x squared? Okay. Now this is the hard part. You can use your calculator for this if you want. Does everybody see the x's? It's minus 5 plus 1 plus 2 and minus 1, isn't it? Well, I can write that all in a line. Minus 5. Is that what you got? Minus 5 plus 1. Fair play to you. Plus 2. Minus 1. And we all get minus 3x, I'm afraid. Yeah. Well then you have to put in the minus 1x to sort that out. Yeah. Now, what about minus 5 minus 6? Yeah. Minus 6, is it? Yeah. Now, do they want us to factorize this? What number can I take out of all three of them? No, this one doesn't have an x. Why don't we try 3? What happens? What's left over when I try 3 out? 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And that's as far as you can go, lads, all right? No, if you multiply it back out, Kyle. when you multiply it back out, does it turn to the 1 above it? What's 3 times x squared? 3x squared. 3 times minus x. And 3 times minus 2. Minus 6. That cool, you guys? Your homework's on Google Classrooms, and it's a lot easier than that one we just did. Okay?